Isn't that the nicest, easiest, coolest, biggest, smoothest selfie camera? There we go. Hey. Okay, cool. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming back and checking out this channel. Before we start, I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope 2021 will be a lot better than 2020. We are here today to find out if we can mount this big, bulky Sony FS7 M1 onto the Ronin S2. All right, let's get to it before we get lost in doing things that we didn't plan to do, because that's what ended up happening. You know, you come for something and you end up doing something else. I'm just using the base plate that came with the Ronin S2. I'm gonna attach it here, and I am going to make sure there's a space. Hold on, let me attach this thing and then I'll talk into detail what I'm doing here. Okie dokie. So it's going to be a little bit crooked because of the plate has this Arca Swiss mount thing. All right, so we are just going to mount it and attach it, and make sure we attach it all the way in the front, so there's no space here, because the camera, if you look at it, is back heavy. And the good practice is to lock the axes. Very easy, just slide this thing in. Okay, very easily slidable. All right, nicely slided, but don't do like me. Be careful, close this thing a little bit, and you can actually loosen it up and rotate to make sure you got the center of gravity nicely balanced. Okay, I'm gonna lock this one now. It may still not be balanced, but at least it is, somewhat bearable. Okay, so we have one axis. Okay, I guess that was cool. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You cannot do this, but you can do this, which is really, really good. Okay, so yeah, this axis is also balanced. And you know why it's already balanced? Because I tried it before. Don't tell anyone. All right. Yeah. So this axis is good. I'm not sure if this one is still good or not. Maybe not. Nope. So this one is not good. So we have to kind of, pull it. Make sure you guys can see it. Gotta play with this guy until it comes to the happy middle, happy medium. Okay, somewhere there, see, it comes back. Okay, I think that's good for now. This is good, that's good. Last but not the least, make sure this axis is good. What is this? This is the pan axis, I believe. So tilt it like this, 45 degrees. Anywhere between 15 and 45 degrees, and just play and see where it will be heavy. Is it anywhere heavy? Anywhere? I think it's good. I may have to push it forward just a tiny bit, like 2 millimeters. There we go. Lock it. Looking good. Perfecto. No, not perfecto, but good. Hold on, let's see. It's good. It's staying. Okay, so it's good. I mean, this is a very, very strong gimbal, so mounting it on this thing is really, really easy. And the motors are very powerful. I mean, according to DJI, who knows, Anyways, but I believe them because they've been doing a good job at making greatest gimbals on the planet. I'm just gonna mount the monitor here, get my HDMI cable, and as you know, the Sony comes with the, the top handle with the LCD screen, but to put it on the gimbal, you have to remove all of that jazz. Put your HDMI cable, attach it nicely. I may need to do a little bit balancing because of the cable. Now as you guys can see, it's moving backwards, so I need to, loosen this one up a little bit and rebalance this axis, okay? So it's very awkward where the HDMI cable comes in, because it's in the back, and if you do this, it's kind of that, goes like this. So that's awkward, but other than that, it's good, Image will come through here. You're gonna have to flip it because the monitor is looking down, but let's power this thing up. All right. is on. First thing first, we have to calibrate. Start calibration. That's happening. And we are waiting. And after it's done, it'll be ready to go, right? So as you can see, you can easily and nicely mount the FS7, and I believe the FS7 Mark II is the same size. I don't know about the FX9. If you want to send me your FS9 so I can try it, hey, be my guest. I like that. But no, I'll find it and I'll do the test on the FS7. So just come back and check regularly on this channel, and you can see, as you can see, hey, this is done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You know, really, really cool. Power this guy up, power the camera up. Okay, and as you can see the space here, so even if you have the BPU, what is it? The biggest Sony battery, it will still work. You know, it will still work. That's a good thing about these things. So there we go. Image. It works. You can do underslung mode. It's perfect. Perfecto. Okay. Okay. You could do it this way. No problem. No problem whatsoever. There's one more thing before I let you go. Raven Eye doesn't work for now because the cable that comes in the Ronin box, the HDMI cable that goes from the Raven Eye into the camera, does not reach. So it's really hard for it to work. I mean, it doesn't reach the back of the camera. So if you get a long HDMI cable, I think it would work, it would be fine. But until that's, you know, I don't have a long cable, so I cannot test that, but I'm sure it will work. It's an HDMI cable, all right? HDMI is HDMI, it doesn't matter what it comes in. All right, cool. So I am done with this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe. I'm gonna try to do a lot more videos, especially with this gimbal, because I just picked it up and I am loving it. And if you haven't seen, all my Lamborghini supercars videos on the channel was shot with this thing, all of them. Well, 90% of them. You know, the one that came before it was released, obviously, weren't shot on it, but this one, the most recent one are. So thank you very much. Stay tuned together. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope we have a better 2021. Boom, stay tuned.